Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back once again to my channel, The Great Check, and once again this is Jerry. And today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to uh, have a PDF file, omit some of its pages so that I could also, of course, um, to if I want to have the PDF file to just have few pages instead of the whole all the pages of this PDF file. So I just wanted to have the few pages omitted. So what I'm going to show you is an example, and I'm using a Foxit reader, but you can still apply the principle on some of your PDF file reader. So here, so this is just an example, but actually it doesn't need to be I don't have to alter anything from this file because this is very important, but for educational purposes only, I'm only showing you how to make or to omit some of the pages of a PDF file, which is probably this would also apply to you, but I'm only using Foxit reader, but you can still, as what I said, I use the some of the PDF file reader that you have, because the principle is still the same. So here I have here 17 pages PDF file, so you can see in there. So that's the first page of the 17 pages. So I want to have this, and that I only want to have a PDF file from the original. I want to have this 14 pages only, which is I only want to have this page, the 14th page, the last page of my PDF file, but actually this is really 17 pages. So what we need to do is have to go to the print, and then you can see this window here. So you have to specify the pages that you want to have your PDF file, to omit some of it. So I have here 1 to 14 as what I showed here. See that one? So pages 1 to 14. Then okay. Click OK. So Foxit reader, you have to have this Foxit reader PDF printer. Foxit reader PDF printer. So here I want to have the new folder, because I want to put this in a different folder so that I would not be confused. So since this is physical science, as what I said, it's just an example. So physical science. I renamed the page or the folder name into physical science edited module. So I have to specify, you have to specify the file name here, and of course save as a type. So since this is PDF file, so I need to choose PDF file, then save, then wait until it's done converting, saving your PDF file from the specified pages. Okay, so as what I said in there, this is a Foxit reader for PDF file. Okay, and then so we have to wait. All right, so let's go to the file where we save it. So edited modules. So here, since I made this folder, new folder, and then I put there the converted PDF file, the saved PDF file, wherein it is already specified the number of pages for my PDF file. So if you can see here, all right, so 5th page, All right, so here, so if you can see here, it's already now 14 over 14. So that means that 3 other pages are already omitted. So that's it. Very simple, guys. Very simple. So hopefully that you have learned something today, and this would help you too for your PDF file, since sometimes just like what I had here, I want to share it to my students, but I don't have to put the answer keys. So so I omitted some of the pages so that the answer key would not be um, seen by my students, and they can still use the module for answering, especially the assessment part. And of course, I don't have any right to omit the pages, since this is very important file also, but for my students only, for their activity. So I don't have to reveal to them the um, answer key, and still they can answer the assessment part, they can do the all the um, activities given from the module. So guys, hopefully that this would help you too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now, and click of course your notification bell, so that you could also be notified if I uploaded a new video in the channel, on my channel. So hopefully guys, um, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. May the Lord God Jesus bless us all. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.